Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
CBAP Business Analysis Professional. Lecture 11, Information Technology Perspective. CBAP, Certified Business Analysis Professional, is a designation offered by the International Institute of Business Analysis, IIBA, to professionals who demonstrate expertise in business analysis. When discussing the role of information technology, IT, within CBAP, it's essential to understand how IT fits into the broader context of business analysis. 1. Understanding business needs. IT professionals within the CBAP framework must first understand the business needs and objectives. This involves collaborating closely with stakeholders to identify requirements, pain points, and opportunities where technology can provide solutions. 2. Bridging business and technology. CBAP professionals with an IT perspective act as intermediaries between business stakeholders and IT teams. They translate business requirements into technical specifications that IT teams can understand and implement effectively. Similarly, they translate technical complexities into business terms for stakeholders. 3. Evaluating technology solutions. IT professionals in CBAP assess existing and emerging technologies to determine their suitability for addressing business needs. This involves conducting feasibility studies, cost-benefit analyses, and risk assessments to recommend the most appropriate technology solutions. 4. Ensuring alignment. A key responsibility of IT professionals in CBAP is to ensure that technology initiatives align with the overall business strategy. They must continuously evaluate IT projects to ensure they contribute to the organization's goals and objectives. 5. Managing requirements. IT professionals play a crucial role in managing requirements throughout the project lifecycle. This includes eliciting, analyzing, documenting, and validating requirements to ensure that IT solutions meet business needs accurately. 6. Facilitating communication. Effective communication is essential in CBAP, particularly between business stakeholders and IT teams. IT professionals act as facilitators, ensuring that all parties understand each other's perspectives, requirements, and constraints. 7. Implementing solutions. IT professionals within CBAP are involved in the implementation phase, working closely with development teams to ensure that solutions are built according to specifications and delivered on time and within budget. 8. Supporting change management. IT professionals assist in change management efforts by providing technical expertise and support during the transition to new systems or processes. They help stakeholders adapt to changes and address any technical challenges that may arise.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.